Hey, my name is Eduardo Ambroseto. Now I'm going to present some facts about earthquakes. Earthquakes are great fears on Earth. Usually occur when rocks are under great pressure from inside the planet. This pressure exerts a force on the rocks and looks for some way to exhaust itself. Most prone to earthquakes are those close to tectonic plates, such as Western South America, where the Nazca Plate and South America Plate are located, and in regions where new plates from the new in Pacific Ocean, where the belt of fire is located. The country with the most earthquakes is Vanuatu.